Hello and welcome, this is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an in the post, and this is in the post number 55. First of all, I want to put an apology forward saying that I did intend to have two in the posts over the Christmas period, but unfortunately the way that it worked out and the way that we planned everything, that wasn't possible. So this is the first in the post of 2014. We have 3 change checker gold cards, which came with stuff that I ordered from Change Checker. One of the first things I'm going to show you is some of the Change Checker items. First one, this is the new £5 coin, the Robin Hood. So this is the first of 3 coins that's depicting Robin Hood. I believe the other 2 will be Maid Marian and Little John. So I will be doing a separate review on that certainly in the near future. It's something that we've got used to over the past few weeks. This is the 2023 Christmas Snowman, which includes Snowman and Jake. I got these as some presents, so I'm glad I'm reviewing, showing these after Christmas. Right. On the towards the end of November, we got told that we were going to get the 50p, the new 50p, the Salmon 50p, coming out in our change. And there you go. I've managed to get hold of 2 of them from the post office. I got hold of them on today's date when I'm recording this is the 6th of December. I got these on the 4th, I think it was, or 5th. I was thinking about putting a video out during the Christmas period, and I may well do on these 2 particular coins, just to show that they're about. So you may have already seen these coins. Right. Raw mint next. And we have the raw mint 6p. It's not the old 6p piece or tanner. It's actually, so it's not 6D, it's 6p. So it's a decimal coin. It doesn't actually, I'm not sure that it actually has, you could actually use it as a coin. Or if you do, you'll certainly be wasting a lot of money, because this is a full silver coin. They're sometimes given away at things like weddings as favours, as wedding favours and things like that. I'll be opening this up and showing you in its own review. Next, I managed to get a hold of a low minted coin from Singapore. It's a $1 coin. Again, this will have its purpose when I review them. This, however, is a little bit tasty, and the reason it's a little bit tasty is it's an error coin, but it's an error coin from 1815. And how do I know it's an error coin? Well, it comes from the B Mint in Germany. Now, I'm not sure what the B Mint was in 1815. I will do my research before I actually review this coin, but what's happened is that it's had 2 B's struck one above the other, and there's a slight variation of difference between where the first B is and where the second B is, and they overlap. It's an unusual coin in that respect. It's an error coin, and I will be discussing and showing you that at a later time. Then finally on here for this in the post. We have not two, but 3 coins. They're all from East Germany, the DDR, so they're all post 1945, but before East Germany broke up and it all became back into the German Republic. They're from the 1960s and I think one's from the 1970s. There is one there that celebrates 20 years of East Germany. There's one there that shows one of the major buildings in East Germany, and then we have one with the Brandenburg Gate on. I will explain what all of these coins are when I do the review. So we have, if we go back up, that's the last coin I'm going to be showing in this, so let's just take this out a bit. We have, let's get the biggest package in there first. We have the 6-penny coin from the Royal Mint. I'm still waiting for the Royal Mint from my 2023 definitive coins. It's now reached the time where they said they should have them out, which is 8 weeks. So I'll be giving them a call later on this week to find out what the situation is. We have an error coin from Germany from 1815. We have a rare Singapore dollar. We have that I'm giving away over Christmas, 2 snowmen from 2023. We also have the £5 coin from the Robin Hood series, which is going to be the new Icons series this year. We're not sure what happened to Beowulf, which was due to go out as well. We have 3 cards from the Change Checker 10-year celebration, and we have 2 circulating coins of the new definitive 50p's. So that's the coin hunt in a quick overview at the end. I am going back now from a video a day, which is what I did over December, to 5 videos a week. I thank you all for your support that you've shown, and the fact that my subscriber level went up over the December period. I would like to continue that. I will be setting myself a new target that I will sort of release around about this time next week, which will be around about the 8th or the 9th of December. Sorry, of January to December, what am I talking about? So if you have enjoyed this video, could you give me the thumbs up, please? And if you haven't yet subscribed, but you believe I deserve it, could you also please think about subscribing? If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching to the end, and bye bye. Ta-da now.